Welcome back, guys. This time around, Matchbox Lamborghini Centenario. It was recently released by the Red Line Club. So let's unbox this guy and show you what it looks like. Very nice box as well. There's all the writing on the bottom. Let's open it up and see what is what. Nice paper over the acrylic case. Car's inside. Let's see. There you go. Quite a nice case. The reason it has that plastic bit over there, that's because this car is opening doors. Quite like the box itself. Some carbon fiber on the roof, as well as the Centanario script. Very nice model. What else is in the box? There's of course the cardboard bit that goes over that clear case. And there you go. And that's the full picture. And let's have a look inside. And these clips at the bottom. Very nice model. You see this plastic part here keeps the doors in place. Let's remove that. So with the doors opened, you see all the detail inside. Very nice model indeed. Only place you're going to find them now is either with importers or on eBay itself. Very glad I've got this as part of the collection, and thanks again to Wayne at Wayne's World of Diecast. Link in his website below, and yeah, enjoy that one, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.